Thanks for watching AM Northwest. Our next guest is a nationally recognized artist who says anyone can learn to draw and paint, and today it's all about banners. We welcome back the author of Peggy Dean's Guide to Nature Drawing and Watercolor, Peggy Dean.
Hello.
Hey, hello.
I'm so glad to be here.
Thanks for coming.
Yes,
and you have a challenge today because I am not an artist.
I'm
Helen
excited.
is an artist. I have no artistic talent whatsoever.
This is, well, you say that. This is my favorite part. Whenever I teach groups, I always have people raise their hand like, who's done this, who's never touched it? And then as soon as, it's like hands shoot up and I'm like, yes.
Yes. Okay.
This is my favorite.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
You like a challenge.
I
because
do.
This will be one.
Okay, so banners, I think it's fun. It's not nature.
Yes.
Obviously. Well, it can be, though, as you
could
can
put
see.
it on nature. Yeah.
But the thing about banners is they can be incorporated into everything. And as soon as it's like a fun embellishment, and as soon as it's added, it just creates more of a staple to emphasize whatever it is that you're doing.
Right. So
and
what do you put these on?
Yeah. So you can put them on cards and then draw some leaves around them.
Yeah.
But even when you're just writing notes at home, you're just jotting down some notes.
See, I would love to be able to have this skill.
Right?
Yes.
Okay,
let's
do it. All right. So as you can see, there are a ton of different types of banners that you can draw.
So many.
So we are going to start with a super simple arch.
Okay.
And it will look like, let me find something like this, okay?
Okay.
So this is one of our more simple ones.
Okay.
So all that you need to do, so just use a corner if you don't want to go big. If you do, that's cool. So literally, just a simple C curve.
Because I remember you said everything's C's and S's, right?
Well, not everything. In nature, it's
Okay.
easy to draw that way. But I know I bring that up a lot. C curves, S curves.
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to do the same thing in the same width. So when I say width, I mean you're going to want the same spacing throughout. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the bottom.
And you can make it as wide as you want, right?
Correct. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
And don't, see, I
No,
can't
that's
even
fine.
do that. Okay.
No, no, it's totally fine. And then you're going to connect these with two straight lines. So just straight line, connect it. Okay.
See, I don't think I made mine big enough. Okay, there we
But
go.
look at you already.
Is that a banner?
Identify the problem and fix
Yes.
it. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Anyway, so no, that's the front of your banner. Now we're just going to do the tails. So this
Okay.
is simple. It's the width that's right here.
Yes.
So you're going to take that and do the same width. I'm going to bring this out down here.
Okay.
And
But I noticed you didn't start in the corner.
I didn't. I dropped below, and then I'm going to do a line right here until I get that same width, and then I'm going to bring that out like this.
Oh, sneaky. Okay.
Okay, yeah, drop it, and then as long as you want this to be, it can be, but the thing you want to maintain is the width of the
Has to be the
height.
same.
Yep. There you go. Perfect. And then do it on the other side.
Oh, you think I can do it on the other side?
I know, isn't it funny that
This side is skinnier, so that's going to be a challenge for me.
you got it though. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now you know how to draw a V.
Yes.
We're going to draw a V like this.
Oh. Okay.
Yep. Yep. And then do it on the other side.
I just did that.
But then there's only one part left.
Oops.
No, it's perfect.
Okay.
See, where there's a like a choppy situation right here. So you're going to take the corner of this and the corner of this and just draw a line right here, and that's your fold.
Oh, that is amazing. Now, do you see that with your artist's eye? Because I don't notice little details like that. Is that how you're an artist and I'm not?
So this is actually interesting because when I look at anything now, it's a matter of looking at it as shapes and lines.
Really?
So all of these were banners that I saw in some capacity or another, and I had to break it down after knowing how to visualize the lines and the shapes. So once I did that, there were actually many that I would draw in the wrong order. And as I was, as I would practice it, I'm like, oh, okay, well, this is the actual line that I should have drawn to make this more seamless.
Yeah.
So it just takes practice.
I'm just going to show everybody.
Yeah.
I just drew a banner. I have never drawn a banner in my life. I've never made anything 3D. I just drew a banner.
You did.
Can we do one more quickly? Can we do one in a minute?
Yep,
Okay.
sure can.
Oh, sorry. Okay. I'm not being a good host right now. Okay.
Okay, so you can do this straight like this. Let's just do one of those real quick.
Straight.
Let's say you don't want it to be, you want it to be kind of more bold, so we're just going to do a rectangle. You know how to do a rectangle.
Yep.
Yep.
Oops.
Nope, it's great. More character.
Yeah, there you go.
And then the same thing that we did, we're just going to create those lines. So from the top, you just drop it and then maintain the width when you bring it down like this.
Oh, that is such a good trick.
It's just so easy. And then you do your V and your V. Mine's a little wonky, but you're getting the idea. And then just your, look at
I'm going to add a banner to my next
and then just the
note.
corners. Yep.
My next thank you card is going to have a banner. And it's going to say thank you.
Yes, exactly. And then one quick trick, if you want to kind of shade the back, you can just do these lines and then you really emphasize the fold.
Do you have to do them diagonal?
No, you can do them you can scribble, make dots, polka dots.
Oh my gosh. This is life-changing.
Right? So simple.
Yes,
Let's
thank
high five
you
about
so much. The book again is Peggy Dean's Nature Drawing in Watercolors, and you are such a good teacher. Thank you so much. We'll have a link to all of her info on our website at khtu.com.